Hey everyone, for today's video we are diving into something super handy for all of you pool and hot tub owners out there. This is a solar powered floating pool thermometer from a company called Inkbird, and this is paired with an indoor digital temperature and humidity monitor using wireless connection. This thermometer has a built-in battery that is charged via solar power, and it's IP68 waterproof, meaning you can throw this into your pool without worrying about the water damaging the unit. The company provides two AAA batteries for this indoor unit, and this supports a transmission distance of up to 980 feet without obstruction. I have this placed in my living room, which is about 70 feet and 3 walls away from the pool, and it picks up the signal from the pool sensor just fine. Setting this up is very easy. You simply pop up the batteries into the internal unit and turn it on. After you turn on the unit, you just want to turn on your pool thermometer as well. And the unit will pair to your pool thermometer. When you press the top button on your outdoor unit, it will switch from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And the same thing with your indoor unit. You just want to press the middle button to switch it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. You can also press the left side so it can show you the min-max button between 24 hours or all-time record. So right here is all-time record. And then right here is 24 hours. Okay, so I just reset this. That's why we have 81 and 80. But after a couple of days, you're gonna see this thing change from the highest temperature you got here and the lowest temperature you got here. And this right button right here, when you press this, you're gonna see that you will change the channel right there. Okay, so I don't have any other unit, but I believe these channels will let you choose multiple thermometers. So let's say you have a thermometer for your pool and another one for your spa, then you can choose the channel to see what the temperature for each one. So you can see right now the temperature is the same. What I notice is this is usually going to change first, and then after about a minute this is going to sync into this unit right here. So let me go put this unit into my pool so you can see how it works. So right now the outdoor temperature is 82. I'm just gonna put it into my pool, and you can see that the temperature changes to 80.2, and if you check the indoor screen, it also changes to 80.2. So to your right is your current temperature, which is 86 with 50% humidity, and my pool water is currently 80.2. So if you're looking for a simple, effective, and reliable way to monitor your pool and hot tub temperature, I highly recommend checking this one out. I'll drop a link to it in the description and in the comment section. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more product reviews and pool maintenance tips, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.